ndafungura ndaryama.
She ate and slept.
Ndyamye nagiye sinziriye gatonya nagiye numva umuntu akwega igitanda umengo ni brankari ko arasunika ijya kwa muganga cyane umva umutima urakubise cyane.
Okay. When she was sleeping, she felt like someone was pulling off her bed, like the hospital bed.
Niyo naciye numva ijwi rivuga ati mwana wanje byuka rero uje gusenga. That's
when she heard a voice crying to her, "Oh my child, wake up and go for prayer."
Chandabisasa sanganisa chenda chandabyuka chandoga chandaguza gusenga.
She woke up and looked at the time and found it was 3 p.m. 3 p.m. Yes. Then she prepared herself and came here for prayer.
Niho nashika ngaha cyasanga umuprotokole yitwa Françoise ariko arahanagura intebe candamufasha kugira amaze ndindire imisi itangure.
When she arrived here, she found someone from the protocol service whose name is Françoise. She was cleaning the chairs, then she helped her while waiting for the service to begin.
Niho imisi atangura ihese rero canegera umukozi w'Imana akorera ngaha aya.
That's when the church service began, and she approached someone who is someone who prays for people here.
Ndamwiganira ingene ngwaye ijisho.
She explained him or her how she was suffering in her eyes.
Arambwira mwana
he told her, "My child, don't worry.
Umura urakira.
You will be healed.
Ndaguhaye imisi 3 kwa karuzo waki.
I give you 3 days, you will be healed."
Nanje ngenda ndabyizera ku mutima.
And I trust it in my heart.
Wa musugira ugera kwa kabiri hageze.
That's when it was Tuesday, when Tuesday arrived.
Nabwo nari nagiye gukora examen.
She hadn't gone for exams at for school.
Niho nabyuka ndiko ngire nkorope.
That's when she woke up. She was about to clean her house or her room.
Nari nunamye ntoye igikoropesho canumva ikintu kizungurutse mu mutwe numva ubwonko buratakaye numva mega ijisho rirakorotsa cyakoroka urugurubure rw'amaraso cyangwa ati sefini ndapfuye.
She was about to start cleaning her room and she felt the same thing that happened before. She felt something on her head and something collapsed from her eyes, a kind of material which is round collapsed from her eyes, from her eye, her sick eye.
Niyo navuga mana nabara n'ukuri niyo naciye ntora telefone ko mama nitwari kumwe hafi.
That's when she cried to God, "Oh God, save me please." Then she took her phone and tried to call her mom because she was not close to her mom.
Ndamubwira mama ndapfuye mbonye amaraso ikintu cy'ikibura giva mu jisho gikoroka.
She told to her mom that she was about to die because she saw something round collapsing from her eye.
Mama niyo yambwira ati mwana humura nacuba izera Imana.
Her mom told her, "My child, don't worry, you will be healed."
Niyo naza dimanche Pasiteri Elisha ari ngaha akaravuga ati abantu 17 bagire babohoke Imana igira ikize.
Then she came here on Sunday and she found here Pastor Elisha, and he said there are 17 people who are going to be healed from sickness. When he said so,
nagiye mbona umushwarara w'Imana mbona ikiganza cy'Imana atuma muri rya jisho mbona umushwarara mwinshi ukayangana.
She saw, when Pastor Elisha said so, she saw a kind of light from God, which is just enlightening her eye with a divine arm.
Niyacha Pastor yakazunguruka mu maranja avuga ati uwitwa Gloria nahaguruke.
That's at that time, Pastor Elisha was just going through the chairs. Then he said, someone called Gloria just raise up.
nanjye ndahaguruka
Then she raised up.
mpagurutse arambaza iryo jisho waribaye iki.
When she raised up, Pastor Elisha asked her what happened to her eye.
nanjye ndamubwira ati nabibonye uku.
Then she said, I saw it like this, I saw it so.
niwe yambwira ati ko ari inzoka yankumuye.
Then Pastor Elisha told him that it's a snake that has.
ndashimira imana kugeza ino saha nkaba ndi muzima.
She thanks God that she's still alive till now.
nshimira imana. ikindi cya kabiri imana yarampengeje ku ishuri.
The second thing that happened to her, God has done good to her at school.
kuva nkitangura ishuri nabwo nabwaronka amanota meza naronka amanota mabi.
Since she starts school, she had never got good marks in school.
niho negera umupasitori Pastor Philippe yari yaje ngaha.
That's when she approached Pastor Philip, who had come here.
ndamubwira ati iyo ngeze ku ishuri nza numva madamu avuze planète nifeye nca numva umushatsi umengo uramvuye ko nkumva ikintu kiza kinyabika masike mu maso.
He told him that when the professor says just take a sheet of paper for exams, she just feels that her hair is about to be removed and she's not okay.
ndiko ndakora nkandika ibice bice ngatanga urupapuro rugaragara.
When she's just doing her exams, she never finishes, and sometimes even gives a white paper, a blank paper with nothing like answer.
ariko interrogation ze nkaca ndavyibuka.
But when exam is finished, everything is okay. She remembers everything, while she wrote nothing.
muri exame iheruka nako ndakora comptabilité générale niho imashini yaciye yibloka.
During the last exams, she was doing the general accountability exam, and her laptop just got blocked.
ndavuga mana ibi ni biki.
She said, "Oh God, what is this? What is happening?"
barampa imashini biranga.
They gave him another laptop, and it was the same situation. Nothing was okay.
Professor ashavuga ati vuga ku munwa ibyo ushoboye ibintu ureke.
Then the teacher said, just work orally, just say it by your mouth, and the rest just leave it.
niyo nasubira kubwira Pastor Philippe nsengera je birambona ibitero byinshi.
That's when she told to Pastor Philip, pray for me, I see many attacks, too much attacks.
akingira acarangira deliverance arambwira ati mwana wanje humura ku ishuri bizogenda neza kandi uzoronka amanota meza.
Pastor Philip delivered her and told her, don't worry, it will be okay and you will get good marks.
niho rero kuri proclamation 22.
That's when at the moment for proclamation, that's when on 22 December, during the time to give them tell them how much it has been good in exams.
kuri proclamation barahamagara uwa mbere uwa kabiri uwa gatatu bagera ku 10 ndavuga mana ndemba uwa nyuma.
During that time, they called the first till to the 10th, and she asked God, am I the last?
bageze ku 16.
When they were calling just the 16th,
carahamagara irakoze Gloria.
they called La Cause Gloria.
Avec 63%.
With 63%.
Hallelujah.
Nanjye bakimamagaje ngo ce n'est pas possible murihenze murabe neza.
When she was being called, she said, it's not possible. Look well, maybe it's a mistake. It's not her.
ndashimira Imana ku byiza byinshi yankoreye mu mwaka.
She thanks God for all the goodness He has done to her this year.
mumere icubahiro Imana kuko
Hallelujah.
Imana
Praise to God.
Komera amashyi Imana. Yesu ashimwe.